Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming core prerequisites so nothing later blocks the process. First, update iOS and make sure your iPhone has at least 20% battery or is plugged in. This prevents interruptions. Next, sign into your Apple ID and open Wallet to confirm the card appears and matches billing details. Once done, verify your bank supports Apple Pay and that your device model is compatible. This explains why some cards won't add even when everything else looks correct. Now you'll perform the core fixes to restore functionality. Remove any problematic card from Wallet and immediately re-add it, because reinitializing the token often resolves authentication failures. When the bank asks, choose verification via bank app or SMS code. That step completes the secure link between your card and Apple Pay. Make sure NFC is enabled, then restart your iPhone to refresh hardware services, and confirm Face ID or Touch ID is set to authorize. Finish by validating the fix with a real transaction so you know it's working under live conditions. Tap your iPhone to a contactless reader and authenticate. Successful completion confirms tokens and permissions are correct. If you still face failures, reset network settings to clear stuck connections, because Apple Pay relies on authenticated network calls. And if problems persist, contact your bank or Apple support and provide wallet diagnostics. That helps them pinpoint server or token issues quickly and get you back to contactless payments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.